Hello everyone, my name is Ted Lee. I'm from Alliance Fencing Equipment, Texas. Today we are going to change out a Uhlmann reel. This is called turtle shell, and then because the spring has been broken, so there's no spring down here, so things are all been broken. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this part here, and I'm going to show you what it is. The new spring is comes down here. It comes in a like pancake. So we're going to try to open this and see what's happening in here. Okay, so there is actually some screws down here, and this is the grounding. So it's a hexing. This is grounding. So this is the longest screw. So you have 1, 2, 3 screws, which we have to open it up. Okay. Okay, screw, second one. And the third one. So this one you need the Allen. Okay, be careful. The spring down here might pop up. Okay, so you just put your hand in there and hold it. So there, someone actually, the spring broke. So this is the other remaining spring. So this is broken. So this is actually useless. So the new spring we're going to replace, there's actually a groove down here. If you can see, I'll show you this groove where the spring will go into. Okay, just double check it. Yeah, so there, you see there's a groove down here. So the spring will sit in there. So be very careful when you open this. So I'm going to open this. I'm just going to cut it and open this. Okay, let me open this one here. Hold it tight because you see this thing will come out. So I have clamps down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp it. Clamp this spring down here, so it doesn't spring out. And then down here, on the other side, I'm going to clamp it also. So this is how it comes. So you have this little groove down here, which will sit in here. Okay, so I'm going to pull this thing out, and then I'm going to fit it in there. Let me see, where's the groove? And let's see. Oh, no, this one, we got something stuck in here. I think the previous. Okay, you see the knife goes in there, so I see it. Just put it in there. this way. There, it sits in there. You see that? And then continue holding it. I'm going to release one of this, push it down, release the other one, push it down. So I'm going to position. Right now I need to position. Okay, so the position is down here. See, there's two screws down here, one here, and then down here we have to position it. I'm going to put one screw in there. We'll put it back. Okay, do not tighten it all the way. I'm just securing it. And I'm going to find the other one. So these are the shorter screws. If you look at this, this is a shorter screw, this is the longer screw, this is the grounding. Okay, the grounding goes down on this part here. Okay, but I'm not going to screw that in first. I'm going to screw this thing in. Okay, right now I can tighten. And tighten this. So, but this is not the end, because you need to put the you need to put everything back. Okay. So we have Allen key number 3. We're going to loosen all this up. There's 4 screws which we need to loosen. 1. 2. 3, and this is the 4th. And the whole thing will come out. Okay, so we have to remove this plug, and we're going to remove this section here. You just have to unscrew. Let me just take pliers. So this part here, we're just going to unscrew it. Okay. Okay, just loosen it and screw this thing. And there's another screwdriver down here, another screw which we need to remove. 2 screws. Okay, this is one. The other one down here. So this will remove this section here. So what we're doing we're going to put everything back. I'm just going to make it, turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So just put everything back in. Okay, so tighten a bit more. Okay, so what we need to do is actually, because we do not know the length and the tension, so we're going to maximize it. So we're going to pull this all the way. Okay, so basically this is correct. So this is of the right tension. So I'll just do, because when you pull it, you do not want to, actually I'm going to actually put one more round on it. Okay, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. I'm going to pull it. Okay, we still can do one more round. Okay, one more round. 1, 2. Okay, 2 more rounds. Okay, we'll pull it back again. Yep. So this is where the thing down here. So I'm going to let go. One more round, actually. You continue this thing, you repeat this step all the way until you see there is this wire is not tangled up. Let's see. I'm pulling all the way. Yep, it's still okay. Okay. Maybe one more round. Maybe one more round. Yeah, this is good. It cannot be too loose also. Yep, this is good tension. Okay, so we're done with this. Right now we put everything back. Remember these 2 screws, we're going to put it back. Extend this, put in the screws. One more. Just loosen this part here. tighten the big nut. Put it back in here. Put it back in here. Screw this thing back. Usually I would like to tighten it a bit. Down here, just tighten it slightly. Okay. So basically, and then attach this thing back. Okay. You're ready, cover it. You got a brand new spring. So we just put it back. Just make sure you tighten everything, make sure that things are working. Okay, I'm just going to tighten it back. That's it, we got a working rail. Spring is good. So, and then this one is broken. So, do you see that? So it's useless. You cannot reuse it. So I'm just going to repackage it back and give it back to the customer. Whatever they want to do with it, it's up to them. We just tape everything back for the customer to do whatever they want. Okay, that ends the video. Thank you so much I do hope that this will help the fencing community, that you can, for schools, universities, clubs, you can do it on your own. You don't have to send it to anyone. But if you want to send it to me, you can contact me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.